What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to talk about garlic scapes. Garlic scapes are the flower bud of the garlic, and it turns around like this and actually goes up into the air, does a little curly Q thing. And if you cut these off, it makes the bulb grow bigger down below and thicken up. So the garlic scape is totally edible. I like to put these things in soups. I did some potato soup the other night with a couple scapes. My buddy, he loves frying them up with his steak, but it tastes just like garlic. It's like having garlic before the garlic's ready. That one's strong too. So this is one of the German fires that I have, German fire garlic, and it's hard neck garlic that has the scape here. So you got to go through and cut off all your scapes. Now I'm going to go and cut them up, and I'm going to snip them with scissors, and then I'm going to dry these so I can use them later. Might also use a few of them now, throw some in the freezer for a little bit. But I love garlic scapes because it's like having your garlic before the garlic's ready. My garlic should be ready in about a month, maybe a month and a half, probably middle to end of July. But until then, I got garlic scapes. So I'm going to cut some, show you how I do it. So what you do is you find yourself your garlic scape. You come down just before the leaves, give it a snip, and get your garlic scape. So I'm going to go through here, plug a whole bunch of these. So one thing I noticed about garlic scapes is you really got to look through on this. It's sort of fun, sort of like hunting for Easter eggs. So you can see this here, this is my garlic scape. And if I move my hand away, it just looks like all the other garlic. There's a lot of leaves in here. And I'm just going to keep going. Alright, so that took about 10 to 15 minutes to cut all the garlic scapes off. Had to find them all because they're hiding a little bit. Let me know down in the comments below if you have a particular recipe you like to use scapes in. I'd love to try it out. I'm willing to try anything when it comes to garlic scapes and garlic. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Push the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.